In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on this Cadillac SRX. Let's get into it. We're going to use a T30 socket. There's a screw right here. Just take that screw out. Take off the oil cap. Set it aside. We're going to grab the cover and just pop it up. Put that to the side. Just going to take the oil cap and just put it back on, just so we don't drop anything in there. Remove this bolt. Use a 10mm socket. And it's a caged bolt, so it's just going to stay with the housing. Pop this hose off. Just grab the hose, twist it back and forth. We're going to loosen up the worm clamps. Use an 8mm socket. One right there. And loosen that one up. And grab the snorkel, slide that off there, and slide it off the throttle body. And in the back there is a rubber grommet. Just pull straight up and it slides out. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab and slide that off. Using a T25 socket, we're going to take this screw out. Grab the sensor, just rock it back and forth, and it slides right out. I would take the map sensor, line it up, and push it in. Take the screw, line it up. And snug it down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Take the snorkel and line it up. Over the throttle body first. Over the air filter box. Push the grommet down. Tighten the bolt down here. Push this tube on. And tighten down the worm clamps. Snug. And snug that down. Take the cap off, oil cap. Slide this cover back on. Push down the grommets. Now you can put the cap back on. Take the bolt. Get that started. And snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.